what's up everybody? Welcome to another tutorial video from the Executive VA. My name is JV. So I have a quick question for you. So you're working on your computer, trying to optimize or enhance your photos via Photoshop or Canva.com. Have you ever wondered how you can quickly publish your Instagram post while working on your computer? So this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how I publish Instagram posts using Google Chrome. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing you want to do is to go and pull up Instagram by going to Instagram.com. And the first step is to, of course, log in. So I'm just going to log in here. And then what I want to do is to go to this settings here of Chrome, and then more tools, and then developer tools. There's a couple of other ways on how to do this. You can press Control Shift I on your keyboard, or you can also go ahead and right click the page and then click on inspect. So let's go ahead and load the page using the developer mode. So you've got here a drop down that would actually copy the resolution of these phones, like right here, Pixel 2, iPhone, Galaxy, etc. So I'll just keep it this way, and once you've loaded the developer mode, you still have to reload the page. Okay, there's one more extra step that you need to do. So to reload the page, just right click on the screen and click on reload, or you can just simply press F5. So I already clicked F or pressed F5. Now you've noticed that you've already got these buttons here that has your home, explore, add photo, likes or history, and then your profile. So what we'd like to do is to actually go ahead and add a photo. So I've already prepared a post for this video, so I'm just gonna look that up. So here it is. So it loads it. So it's just so simple. Just go ahead and click on the plus here and find your photo or image, and then it loads it up. So it actually also have your filter settings here. It has the native or default filters of Instagram, but in this case I'm not going to use any of that. So I'm just going to click on next. I can write my caption, and there you have it. I can go ahead and click on share, and it's going to be shared and posted on my Instagram account. So that's how easy it is. Um, so I hope you find this video helpful. You can just click on subscribe button for other helpful videos from the Executive VA. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.